need to check the winch to make sure it works first. Oh!
Apparently his winch is under his dash.
That's where I keep my control. Right, so. Bro, get out of the way.
The winch doesn't work.
The winch doesn't work.
It's screws.
I told you these winches were shit.
Where's your little doodaddy? I mean,
Just hit it with a hammer.
I just want to eliminate the switch as the issue. And I feel like I'm going to get zapped.
Mark out, we'll blow my shit.
No, I just join the wires together.
I think these are known to having a shit deal in here.
Well, the screws come from the back.
Solenoid. Do they?
Yeah, like they don't go through the screw.
Well, that's heaps smart.
So like, you're going to pull this bit off. You got Allen keys and shit?
And that's why I've never done a review on that winch.
Because it doesn't work.
And I've heard a lot of people have had dramas with those winches, especially the solenoid boxes on them. Okay, so I've been doing a little bit of cleaning up around the farm, and I need to take some trash out that's been building up. So we're going to see how strong the recovery equipment is today. I was going to put this item on the channel as a restoration and everything, but yeah, I thought it'd just be better just to destroy it. And if the F-truck can't destroy it, then we have some... Ah! It's a big fucking stick. We have some other forms of equipment to help.
Lucky the winch works.
Lucky four-wheel drive works. Lucky I'm not driving a Land Cruiser. I'd be bogged. Damn, I just washed my car too. So here we have a pristine Holden Astra that I need to get out of here. This will probably start, you know. We should probably drag it back, and then, because the motor never blew up, we just destroyed it and then just parked it here. So, and then we could, like, if we get the motor started, then we can like feed it nuts and bolts. I need to get it out of here. So I've got the F-truck. I was going to use the winch, but you know why I'm not using the winch?
Because it works really well when it works.
I've never had a winch that worked better. So instead we're going to test out a 20-ton snatch strap. Here we have, I lied, it's 11,000 kilos. Snatch strap. So, made by a company.
Oh, that's good information.
No one gets free advertising on my channel. Yeah, kids, we're going to learn some rigging tips. But you're not going to learn it from me.
Rigging tips from Red Necktie.
So we want this on its roof, so we're going to rig it from this side. Trying to be environmentally friendly is to absorb all the lead.
Eco, bloody hell.
This is the new Wi-Fi air conditioning that I've fitted to the Astra.
No drive. Watch the trees!
He's dead. Anyone know what we do next? Anybody?
Stop! We've had a dingle. Nearly fell off so many times. And then you hit a branch and it nearly knocked me off. Hey, it's back on its wheels. Man, I didn't want to ride or anything. I'll just walk, eh?
So I've tried to fix the roof, but it's actually not turning out how I wanted. I was trying to get a nice smooth finish on the roof, but I managed to remove the tail lights pretty easy, so I've got new ones of them coming. We've cleared the glass on the back window. Oh, that's a good spare. I need to get that out of there.
Never stay the right way up, they're always the other way.
We're gonna have to put the strap through the roof again. Did have a battery in it.
Needs a jump start.
I didn't think I had a battery in it.
Hang on, here's Nipsey here. Hang on, there it is right there.
The oil's coming out of the intake.
That's where it's meant to be.
Should I open all the doors with the ripper?
Yeah, why not?
I've checked the oil's good. Plenty of oil, I can see the oil from here. Imagine being in a car crash. It stinks.
He's dangling alright. Oh no, it's off. Tire fell off.
Holden Astra, one owner, never off-roaded, non-smoker. It'll be on Facebook Marketplace tonight.
No stupid offers.
No.
Serious buyers only.
Yeah, no tyre kickers. There's only 3 tyres left.
And a spare.
Oh no, the spare!
Everything breaks bar the light globes.
Yeah, but you drive normally down the road every day, and your light globe goes out. You got to rego your car.
Yeah.
Oh no, sorry mate, your brake light's out.
Yeah, hit a pothole, light's broken.
Pothole, no. Every light goes out of the car. But
Throw a
can
car
run
with an
over.
excavator and a light globe is sweet.
Anyone needs an Astra wheel bearing, call me. I have 4.
I hope he knows I'm not helping him pick all this mess up.
That smells like wood. Smell that?
Yeah.
That was a good day cleaning up. This one's next. Come see. Oh, I see that. But this one still goes. So,
I reckon the Astra would still go.
do you reckon to start?
Yeah.
It's a Holden.
Yeah.
Off that battery. But this one, I'm gonna jump this off a 100-foot jump I have on my motocross track. Put a brick on the accelerator and send it down and
Don't be a sook, just sit in it and do it.